Learning more about what led up to the fight where the teen was stabbed to death, investigators say, by another classmate.
And that suspect, 18-year-old Andre Matthews, made his first court appearance earlier today. With the details of that hearing, it's all a part of our team coverage this evening at court and in the community. Amanda Henderson has been with Meismer's loved ones all day.
But we start with Michelle Choi, who was at court for the suspect's court appearance. Michelle?
Yeah, Len and Mia, prosecutors say this right here, a $21 THC vape pen just like this one, is what sparked a fight that ultimately led to 16-year-old Andrew Meismer's death. Now, this is obviously an item that students aren't even supposed to have in school. Today in court, the judge did allow our cameras inside to record not only video but audio as well, as prosecutors read through probable cause describing what allegedly happened. We do have to warn you, some of the details are hard to listen to. This morning, nearly 48 hours after his arrest in Baytown, a Goose Creek CISD patrol vehicle pulled into the Harris County Jail, transferring 18-year-old Andre Matthews. Shortly after, he was moved to the Harris County Criminal Courthouse.
You are charged with murder, which is a first-degree felony.
Wearing an orange jumpsuit and handcuffed for the first time, Matthews stood before a judge, charged with murder in the death of 16-year-old Andrew Meismer, a Sterling High School sophomore. Prosecutors laid out what they allege happened inside the school Wednesday morning.
She stated that she overheard this defendant and the complainant discussing a vape THC pen, that the defendant had lost his pen and was blaming the complainant for taking it.
That's what prosecutors say a female classmate who witnessed the confrontation told officers. According to investigators, police were called out to the high school around 11:15 a.m. Meismer died from his injuries, a puncture wound to the neck less than an hour later. Prosecutors say surveillance video from school shows Matthews and Meismer together earlier that morning, later entering an empty lab classroom. Late today, the Goose Creek CISD police chief shared in a statement they believe the suspect and victim, quote, knew each other well. In court, we learned where authorities believe Matthews got the scissors used to kill Meismer.
Defendant followed the complainant to the bathroom, searched his pockets, did not find the pen, but instead found a pair of scissors on the complainant's person. He took the scissors and put them in his own waistband.
Prosecutors say the confrontation then moved back into that empty classroom. That's where they allege Matthews pulled out the scissors he had taken from Meismer and stabbed him in the neck. A classmate ran out screaming for help and a teacher rushed in.
Shortly thereafter, witness Davis stated he heard cries for help and observed this defendant holding the complainant in a chokehold with the defendant's arm around his neck. Witness Davis attempted to remove the arm from the neck of the complainant, but this defendant would not remove his arm. He observed blood coming from his neck and the complainant's body.
Today, the judge found probable cause and set Matthews' bond at $3 million. Prosecutors say they plan to ask the judge to revoke that bond under the new state 11D amendment. We spoke to Matthews' defense attorney afterward, who explained what that means.
What happened was judge basically, in an abundance of caution, since there's no case law on it, set a higher bond. Because in a few weeks, we're going to come back for that hearing, and depending on what happens there, either there will be no bond, or the bond will stay the same, or move up or down.
Yeah, that hearing is set for January 7. Back to you.